All right, from the main Google Classroom page, you're going to click on Classwork. And then when Classwork pops in, again, this is my last year's class, so that's why I already have a bunch of stuff here. You're going to click on Create. When you click on that Create, you get a drop-down menu. You can kind of see what there is to see there. And you're going to click on something called Assignment. So once I click on Assignment, a new menu page will pop up. I get the title of the assignment, my assignment. And then if I want to give instructions, I can. This, which I'll talk about in the feedback, is called Notebook, which is a very useful extension that you can use if you want to do audio recordings, which does save some time. So you can actually do audio instructions here. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on something. So you might have some things that you want to add to the assignment. So maybe a YouTube video you want people to watch. Maybe something from a presentation that you've created. Even what I use a lot for is documents that I've created that are templates that I want them to use. If you're going to do that, so you're going to click on your Google Drive if you're going to share some files with them. And what you would do, all right, so once your documents load, let's say here, I have this questionnaire. So it's a before and after document that I want kids to fill out before they watch a video and then after. So I'm going to highlight that and I'm going to click on Insert. Once I have that in here, this Google Doc, I have some options. I just want them to view it. So maybe it's a presentation and all they're going to do is look at the thing that I've shared with them. I can also make them edit it. But again, if you say they can edit this, then all students can edit one file. Or I can make a copy for each student. So if I would want every student to have this and every student to use it, then that is what I would do. And Google Classroom will automatically make copies for you and store those copies with the assignment, which is a very nice thing that they do. So if I have that, I want to make a copy for each student. And then over here, there's some options. So you want to make sure you're in your correct classroom. If you are differentiating and doing different different assignments for different students, this is where you would control that. How many points is it? You can also have it ungraded. Do you want a due date if you want it? When do you want it, and do you want a time? And then topic. If you haven't clicked on the topic one yet, I'll explain that in another video. And then if you have a rubric, or if you want to create a rubric, you can add one here. This check plagiarism, I think you can do that 3 times. 5 times, which I'd already done. And what that does is it's a pretty handy dandy. It looks to see if kids have copied and pasted something from the internet. So you can do that for some writings. But again, they only have 5. And once you have everything there, you're going to assign, or if you're doing work very early in the morning or very late, you can schedule it. So scheduling says when you want this assignment released to your students, which is, again, a very nice feature. I think that's all. Toodaloo.